Hello guys, this is Namita here. I'm back again today with a new topic: change your life, change your habits. As long as you're aware that something is wrong in your life, something is wrong in your love life, is wrong in your life as well. Your emotional quotient is not in order. We need to take steps towards it. And the first step, what you said, was right. Being aware that you accepted that something is wrong is happening to me. Then you need to take the second step, because at times what is happening is I have stopped interacting with people. I don't want to talk to people. I want to be in my room, and maybe I don't even like the lights. I like dim lights. I like bit of darkness, this dark cloud which is clouding my thoughts, clouding my vision. There is this dark cloud which has come in my life. So I need to take that cloud away. I need to let that ray of hope or light come inside me. And for that, I can't be just waiting for that something to happen magically, or probably the God will come and will bless us and everything around us will change. No, the things don't change. They do change when you change yourself. When you change the outlook, the eyes or the specs which you have taken, you take off this specs and take the other specs through which you can see the light. And we start seeing the light. When I say that you can change your specs, is probably earlier you were thinking that everything is going down the hill. Now you start thinking that maybe it is still better. There is a worst hill as well, right? So at times, a friend of mine, she keeps coming to me and says that, why is everything so horrible happening in my life? I said, you are blessed with 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 feet. You can walk, you can talk, you've got 2 hands. Be thankful to God about it. Have some gratitude. So first step was being aware of your problem. Second step is finding that hope that things will change if I will change my specs. And the third step is taking that basic step. If I don't want to go out at all, then I must push myself for a walk. I must push myself doing something which I used to enjoy as a kid. Maybe it was gardening, maybe it was playing with playing cricket or playing or dancing, whatever it was. Bring that thing and try doing it only for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. What is the maximum that you can take yourself to? The fourth step, or how you can change your life, is taking that one step. If you wanted, or if you were waiting for that someone beautiful or that someone handsome to come in your life, stop waiting for that someone special. Just meet the person who is around you. Have a meaningful conversation. You have no idea how attractive a meaningful conversation can be. Find someone who can talk on the same subject which interests you. The book which you are reading, talk to a person which the other person is also reading that book, or inspire him or her to read that book. That meaningful conversation actually changes our life. It peps up those hormones inside us. These were the 4 steps. The fifth step or the last step is accepting whatever is around you or how you are. If when you look at the mirror, if you look yourself and you feel you are good, then you are good. And if you think you are not good, then you are going to find something which is good inside you. Inside that mirror, when you're looking at that mirror, tell yourself that, this is good inside me and I can live with this good. I'm worthy of this good. I'm happy about it, that God has blessed me with this family or with this house or with the health which I'm taking, whatever it is. Tell yourself that you are good and find that goodness inside you. We all have goodness and we all have that bad animal inside us. Find that good animal inside you and start finding that good animal inside others, the people who are around you, the people whom you meet. And once you start doing all these steps, once you start meeting the people around you, once you start having those meaningful conversations around you, you start developing that attraction as well. And you are going to achieve what you want. You are going to find that special person for whom you were always waiting for. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.